Does it ever feel like your own legs have betrayed you? You remember a time, not so long ago, when you could climb stairs without a second thought, chase after your grandkids in the park, or simply stand up from your favorite armchair with ease. But now, a feeling of weakness, a slight tremble, or an ache in your knees might be your constant companion. This isn't just in your head. It's a real challenge many of us face as we gracefully move past 60. That feeling of instability can be frightening, making you hesitant to do the things you once loved. It can steal your confidence and make your world feel a little bit smaller each day. I am here today to tell you that this is not the whole truth. While our bodies do change, we have so much power to influence how we age. Before we dive in, if you find this helpful, please subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let's talk about the magic that can happen inside a teacup. For thousands of years, cultures all over the world have turned to tea, not just for comfort, but for healing. It's a ritual that calms the mind and, as modern science shows, can profoundly heal the body. When we talk about rebuilding strength after 60, we are fighting a few key battles. Muscle loss, inflammation that causes joint pain, dwindling energy levels. The 3 T's we're about to discuss are your secret weapons in this fight. They are not just colored water, they are infusions of powerful plant-based compounds, antioxidants and nutrients that your body is craving. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. You don't need a prescription or a trip to a specialty store. Our first powerhouse brew is a combination of green tea and fresh ginger. This isn't just a popular pairing for its delicious, zesty flavor, it's a scientifically backed duo that directly targets muscle health and energy. Green tea is loaded with amazing compounds called catechins, with the most famous one being EGCG or epigallocatechin gallate. Think of EGCG as a personal bodyguard for your muscle cells. Now, let's add ginger to the mix. Ginger contains a potent compound called gingerol, which is a superstar when it comes to fighting inflammation. If your leg weakness is accompanied by stiff, achy joints, ginger is your new best friend. It works by inhibiting the pathways in your body that create inflammation, much like some over-the-counter pain relievers, but in a natural, gentle way. Simply place a teaspoon of green tea leaves in a strainer. Then, take a small piece of fresh ginger root, about the size of your thumb, and slice it into thin coins. Pour hot, not boiling water over them and the tea, and let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon for extra vitamin C and flavor. Try 1 or 2 cups a day, morning or about an hour before gentle activity. Next up is a vibrant golden-hued tea that is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories on the planet, turmeric tea. The star of this show is a compound called curcumin, which gives turmeric its brilliant yellow color. Curcumin is a true warrior for joint health. Studies show curcumin can be as effective as anti-inflammatory drugs for reducing joint pain, but without the potential side effects. There's a small catch: curcumin is hard for the body to absorb on its own. Enter our secret ingredient, a tiny pinch of black pepper. Piperine can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Use fresh turmeric root, grate about a teaspoon. If powder, start with half a teaspoon. Put turmeric in your mug with a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Pour hot water and steep 5-10 minutes. Enhance it with lemon, a small drizzle of honey, or a splash of coconut milk. Coconut milk also helps since curcumin is fat-soluble. Strain before drinking if you used fresh root. Because it's caffeine-free, enjoy it any time of day. A daily cup calms inflammation, reduces pain, and improves mobility. Our final tea is a beautiful reddish-brown brew, gentle, incredibly powerful, rooibos tea with a touch of cinnamon. Rooibos, also known as red bush tea, comes from South Africa, a true gift to our health as we age. Completely caffeine-free, drink it all day long, packed with unique antioxidants, aspalathin and quercetin, fantastic for circulation, ensuring your leg muscles get oxygen and nutrients, crucial for energy and repair. Antioxidants can stimulate osteoblasts and inhibit osteoclasts, important for bone health. Adding cinnamon gives a warming flavor and helps regulate blood sugar, preventing energy spikes and crashes. Place a rooibos tea bag or a teaspoon of loose-leaf rooibos in your mug. Add a small piece of cinnamon stick or a sprinkle of ground cinnamon. Pour hot water and let steep 5 to 7 minutes. Rooibos is forgiving, it won't get bitter. Naturally sweet and nutty, likely no sweetener needed. Make it a regular routine for stronger legs, supporting your bones, improving circulation, stabilizing your energy levels. Feeling young and active again is possible. It begins with small, loving acts of self-care, like brewing a cup. These rituals, practiced consistently, can lead to profound changes, helping you walk with strength, confidence, and renewed joy for many years to come. If this helped, subscribe and join our community, one cup at a time.